Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in again. Please hit that subscribe button to get notifications. Please like and share our videos with everyone if you could, please. That would be great. Today we've got a 2014 International Prostar manual 10-speed transmission, double bunk sleeper, 540,000 miles. We'll do a walk around. Friendly reminder that all of our vehicles that we get have been fleet vehicles. They've been fleet maintained. Once we get each vehicle, we have a third-party shop that goes through every single truck very thoroughly, makes any and all necessary repairs, and each truck comes with a fresh DOT inspection, so we want to ensure that the truck is road ready for you immediately. We've got steel steer tires. Excuse me, I'm sorry. We've got aluminum steer tires and aluminum drive. Please excuse me there. Also, tri-pack APU on this unit. You can check our website out for our daily inventory. We manage that every single day with accurate inventory on hand. You see there on the mud flaps, the website address is exceleratetrucks.com. There's a link in the description as well. Let's go ahead and hop inside. $540,547 miles on the odometer. Manual 10-speed Eaton Fuller transmission. This is a double bunk sleeper. We'll go ahead and roll the hood. And there you have it. Again, this is a 2014 International Prostar manual 10-speed transmission, double bunk sleeper. Again, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive all notifications once we upload videos. And please go ahead and like and share with your friends and family. Check us out online, Facebook, Instagram. Our immediate website is exceleratetrucks.com. Again, there will be a link in the description. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.